Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abuse. 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 Abuse is a noun and a verb used to describe harmful, unjust, or improper treatment of someone or something. It refers to the mistreatment, misuse, or exploitation of a person, substance, or system. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Child abuse is a grave issue that must be addressed to protect vulnerable children. Why abuse is used in example number 1. Abuse as a noun is used to refer to the harmful mistreatment of children, emphasizing the seriousness of the issue. Example number 2. It is never acceptable to abuse animals. We must treat them with kindness and care. Why abuse is used in example number 2. Abuse is used as a verb to describe the mistreatment of animals, emphasizing the importance of treating them compassionately. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.